Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Janita back again. And today, this morning, I decided to slow cook a pot roast. Yep, with some pot roast and probably some mashed potatoes. Or I'm thinking about, I've never done this before, but I'm thinking about using my KitchenAid sheet vegetable peeler, sheet cutter, my KitchenAid vegetable sheet cutter to slice up some potatoes. And I'm thinking about, I might, keyword might, use that and make some cheesy potatoes or some crispy potatoes in the oven. If I decide to do that, I will share it with you guys. But anyway, I just wanted to share my pot roast. It's not done yet. This is me just seasoning it up with some vegetables. And I've done this before. Added some, hold on guys. I added some of this product here in the my little juice down here, water that I put in here, and stirred the vegetables around. I put a little of this in there because it gives great flavor and I like the way it tastes. It is gravy, but I didn't put enough to make it thick enough before my roast gets done, but it sure does season up the roast well when I put that on there. And I use also some onion soup mix, Lipton onion soup mix, some hold on, some of a little of this coarse chicken polo chicken flavored bouillon, and what else I did, and the regular black pepper, and I got some little potatoes in here, bell pepper, onions, and some celery. I'm going to slow cook it, all these flavors mingle together, and hopefully we'll have a great roast, which I believe we will. I love roast. But anyway, I'm just sharing this with you guys. These are some of the things I put on my pot roast this morning. That's brown sugar, onion soup mix. Oh, I know what I'm forgetting. Can't forget this item. Alright, that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm back, you guys. The roast is done. I can't believe the flavor is so good. That piece of fat got so much, oh, it tastes like steak. Oh, so delicious. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you guys can see this video. Next, I'm going to, hopefully my potatoes get done. And I'm making some garlic bread. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Yum!